It is Allah who created for you the night in order to rest, in order to sleep. It is dark, you're supposed to go and rest, and the day you can see, you're supposed to be working. So if you get up every morning, and it may require an effort for you to do that, part of your problem will be solved, because you are within the plan of Allah. You may not understand the benefit of the sleep of the first part of the night, even though medicine is speaking louder and louder in that direction, telling you go to bed early. The quenching of your sleep happens in a far greater way the earlier you go to bed. Whereas Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam came to us and reminded us after Salat al-Isha, if you do not have something constructive such as this to do, what should you do? You should go to bed. He may not have mentioned all the detailed reasons, but it's the plan of Allah. Those whose sleeping patterns are with what is supposed to be, for no reason whatsoever, with their own doing or the doing of their own hands, they are the ones to blame when they find themselves sliding into a form of sadness or worry or depression or anxiety. The system of Allah, when you follow it in a proper way, it will empower you. It will actually provide for you goodness in order to protect you from the adverse environment and from the challenges of this particular world. That does not mean that those who are depressed are weak in faith. It is actually the other way, in the sense that when you are strong in your faith, it will protect you from that anxiety being harsh on you. Do you know it is absolutely normal for us to go through sadness to a degree? It is normal to be anxious at times, absolutely. Even as Muslims, we're taught that. It is normal to go through worry, to be concerned, to have a slight level of depression, in the sense that you are sad, you have worry, you have concern, you might not feel like getting up in the morning, you might feel like there is no hope. Those feelings are human feelings. But what happens? Allah tells us in advance to empower ourselves so that when that comes to us, it does not overpower us.